What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. My name is Steve Fast, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day out here in Pennsylvania. It is a nice, warm, 40-some degree weather day today, and I'm going to take that because it is nice enough that we can do the mod that I've been waiting a little bit to do on the new Ram. But first, we're going to be announcing the winners of our giveaway, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to do that. All right, so originally when I announced the way I was going to pick the winners for our giveaway, I said that I was going to pick 3 people out of the comments on the last video, which ended up being 56 comments in total. And I was going to just randomly pick 3 different people, and the first person to get back to me was going to win the grand prize and all that kind of good stuff. I kind of think I'm going to change that a little bit just because it didn't really make a whole lot of sense to some people. It kind of was a little bit confusing, but I do think I found a better way, and this is how we're going to do it. So in this Tractor Supply bag, I have a piece of paper with numbers 1 through 56, which counts all 56 comments that were dropped in the last video. Now what I did is I just took a big piece of paper and I wrote down every number and I cut them out into individual little pieces of paper like this. So everybody has representation for the drawing. Now we have a Hammerdown Motorsports hat. If you guys want one of these, we have these on hammerdownmotorsportsusa.com, and we're just basically going to throw all 56 of these numbers into this hat. I'm going to shake it around and I'm going to randomly pick out 3 numbers. Now how this works is if you are the first comment in the comment section on the last video, you are number 1, and as follows down through 56. So if you're the last comment, you're number 56. So I'm going to go through the comment section on whatever numbers are chosen. The first number, I'm going to write grand prize as a reply to your comment, and then it's going to be second prize, third prize, which are the exact same. They're going to be a t-shirt and some stickers of your choice. And then we're going to have obviously the grand prize of either the snap-on flashlight or the $100 cash and a t-shirt and stickers. So that's basically how the best I can explain it. Hopefully it all makes sense now. But now it's time to pick our winners. Make sure there's nothing left in the bag. We got all our numbers accounted for. They're all right here in the hat. Close it up. I'm going to shake it up here really good. Now I'm going to pick 3 numbers. I got my eyes closed. 1, grand prize winner. 2, second place. 3, third place. So grand prize winner is number 36 in the comments section. I will be sending you a reply. Number 1 is our second prize, and number 8 is our third prize. All right, so there you go. Those are our winners. I will be dropping in the reply underneath your comment whether you are a winner. Definitely just count down and you can kind of find out where you are in the first 56 comments of that video, and that's going to be our winners. Well, there you have it. All our winners have been drawn. I really appreciate all the comments. I went through each and every one of them, and I really appreciate all your kind words and how everybody has really expressed how they've enjoyed the channel as it's grown over the last couple of years. All that really means so much to me, and I really appreciate your support, and I can't wait for the next milestone of Hammerdown Motorsports. We have so much more to do here with this shop. I know I say that a lot, but I'm really excited about how far we're going to be moving up since when we started. It's going to be absolutely amazing building stuff in this shop, and I can't wait to take you guys along for the ride. All right, so this brings us to our modification that we're going to be doing on our 2019 Ram Laramie Sport. Now, this is the first mod that we're doing on this truck, and probably the first one that most people would probably want to do after buying this truck if you are into lighting the way I am. Now, with this truck, the LED lighting in the back is absolutely amazing. Even the license plate lights are LED. All the lights in the front, the fog lights, the signal lights, the headlights, everything's LED. All the interior lights except for the glove box are LED, which I might be changing as well. But when I went to open the tailgate for the first time, now it has the power tailgate and all that kind of good stuff, I noticed that the bed lights are incandescent. Now, this just kind of looks old. It looks like the exact same as one of my old F-150s over here. It's something that's pretty dated. Now, with a truck that's this modern, I would think that they would put those LED as well. Maybe they had some reason behind that. Maybe the LEDs would be too bright, but it can never be too bright for me for bed lighting, so I think we're gonna have to change those out today. So I reached out to our friends over at Dynamics, and they hooked me up with their bulbs for the bed lighting. These are the 921 XP50 in white. They are made in USA. They have LEDs all around and actually have a projector right on the end, so you can get all the bed lighting you're ever gonna need. So let's get rid of these old incandescents and get these installed. So now with Dynamics, they're always very generous. They hooked me up with some sunglasses as well. So if our new lights over here are too bright, we can just throw in some shades and we're all good to go. So now let's go grab a screwdriver. We can get this lens removed, and we can take out one of our old ones, install one of our new ones, and do a side-by-side comparison. Get up here into the bed. Now, as you can see, we do not have a bed liner in this truck. That's something that I probably would have ordered as well, but the dealership did not click the box for the spray and box liner. I guess they wanted to leave the option open for whoever was going to buy this truck. We do have a little bit of scratches already, nothing too major, but we do have an appointment for this to get Line-X so it can be all protected and we don't have any worries with rust or anything like that in the future. Also, they didn't click the box for the little lights that go in here, so when you open the tailgate you can see inside the bed, which would be very nice, especially when we get a tonneau cover on here, which is another thing I plan on doing. So I do have these lights on order from Dodge, and they hopefully will be coming in soon, and we'll be getting this thing sprayed in, ready to go, and get this truck all accessorized. So now you'll notice that they actually have 4 mounting screws on this whole rear assembly for your bed lights and your third brake light. On our 2010 model, it only had 2 holding this on, and we ended up having problems with water getting in, and actually had to take it all apart and reseal it. So this is a very nice thing. Hopefully we can keep water out of the cab for this truck for years to come. All right, we got all 4 of our screws removed. As you can see, it's just a Phillips screw, not a really big deal. Everybody has a Phillips screwdriver, I would hope, and should have no trouble doing this job. Now we're just going to grab a hold of this assembly. I've never had this one out yet, and I'm doing this one-handedly. There we go. It does have a couple little tabs that kind of hold it in place and locate it. Now I'm going to put the camera down so this isn't going to be dangling, and I can unhook it so we don't scratch up the paint. And we're going to pull out our original bulb and put one of our new Diodynamics bulbs in. All right, as you can see, we do have our new LED bulb on this side. Our middle bulb for our brake light is still incandescent as well. I guess we could change that to an LED, but it's probably not really going to make much of a difference, being that it is red. It's just probably going to come on a little faster. But maybe in the future we'll change that one out as well. And this is our regular incandescent over here. So we're just going to pop the housing back into place just so we can grab our key fob, test this out, and see what the difference is. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Like, I'm standing probably about maybe 3 or 4 feet away, and it's definitely a night and day difference. So if you have one of these new 2019 Ram trucks and you're looking for some more light out of your bed lights, definitely check out Diodynamics. These things are absolutely incredible. So now that we brought the right side into 2019, let's do the same with the left. All right, we have both bulbs installed now. Let me tell you, you're gonna need those sunglasses now. These things throw a ton of light. So if you're like me and you don't have bed lighting, these are a definite must-have for any truck. So now it's time to install our screws once again and finish up this super easy installation, which I think makes a world of a difference. Well, everybody, that was our quick, easy installation of our rear cab lights for the 2019 Ram. Definitely big thanks to Diodynamics for sending those. If you guys need any lighting whatsoever for your vehicle, definitely check out diodynamics.com. I will have a link for them in the description. They make all kinds of bulbs for all types of vehicles, so definitely if you have an application that you need new bulbs for, definitely check them out. They are absolutely amazing products, and best yet, they're made in the USA. Also, a big thanks to everybody for entering the contest for 10,000 subscribers, and a big thanks to all of you out there for helping getting the channel to 10,000 subscribers and beyond. I can't wait for the next milestone. Let's get there. It's going to be absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to take you guys along for the ride. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep that hammer down.